Hello, good morning dear students. In the virtual class we learn about how to insert the data, how to insert a table in the OpenOffice Writer, right? So now we are going to learn the different thing about the table, how you can format the table. Simply हमने देखा कि table आपने बनाया easy way में उसके you can insert the row also, you can also delete the row columns, even you can also able to delete the whole table, right? So here we are going to for the next step of the table, that is the formatting the table. So what should you mean by the formatting table? It's refer to the changing the appearance of the table, such as its borders, backgrounds and color and so on. You can change all the things to attract your document in the table. First, we are going to learn how to add borders and the shades in the table. What is the advantage of that? Changing the table background and adding the shade can be improve the readability of the data, that will be more effective in place of the previous one. It also makes the table more attractive. Steps to apply the table border. There are one type. Step 1, select the table or group of the cell जहाँ पे आपको पूरी border insert करनी है, पहले वो table select करो. If you want to insert only in the one cell, then you can only select the one cell also. If you want to insert in the whole the table, then you can select the whole the table. Otherwise you can select the one row or the one column. Go to the table menu as we do previously, then select this option, that is the table properties. Third, step 3, select the border. So let's see the example. I already used the previous table that we take in the virtual class. So first of all, I am selecting the table here. First, you have to compulsory select the table. If you don't selecting, the options will be not available for you. Okay, so selecting the table, after that here is also available the option of the border. If this tab will be not come, then you have to go to the table menu, table properties. Okay, so then you have to select the borders here. Okay, so there are three things you can see: line arrangement, lines, spacing to contains. हाउ कैन यू मैनेज योर बॉर्डर्स, आपको किस तरह की बॉर्डर चाहिए, कैसी बॉर्डर चाहिए, वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है. फर्स्ट, नो बॉर्डर्स, सिंपल, आउटर बॉर्डर्स ओनली, outer borders and the center horizontal line, then all the borders, and this is set outer border without changing the inner lines. Okay, so these are the things. स्टाइल मीन्स आपको उसकी विड्थ कैसी चाहिए, डबल लाइन चाहिए, सिंगल लाइन चाहिए, किस तरह का आपको टेबल चाहिए, वो यहाँ से आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम सिलेक्टिंग दिस वन एंड यूजिंग द लाइन स्टाइल like this. So you can also see the preview here also. Then spacing contain means what? Means आपको लेफ्ट साइड में कितनी स्पेस चाहिए, राइट साइड में कितनी स्पेस चाहिए. whenever you do the changes here, you can also see the changes for the rest of the things, and even you can also see these things here also, but I'm not changing, that will be make it by default. Okay, then positions. If you want to take your table shadow, then you can select the options from this. First is the simple, there will be a no shadow. Second, cast shadow to the bottom right, that will be come to the bottom, top right, bottom left and the top left. So you can select any of them. When you selecting that, also distance कम means आपके shadow का distance कितना होना चाहिए आपके original table से. Then you can select the color also. There are many options are available for that. So you can select any of them. For example, I am selecting this and press OK. So you can see that changing here. Okay. Here I am just decrease the size. So that's why you can see the blue shadow after below the table here. So these are the ways to apply the border. So what is the line arrangement? It is used to decide the edges of the table whose border has to be changed. Second line, it is used to style and the color of the border. Third, spacing the contains, it is used to decide the space between the cell and the border. So you have to remember what is the use of that. But you can see whenever you see that, you can understand what should you have to do. Next, apply the shading to a table. There are two methods. First method, color the background. Place the cursor anywhere inside the table. Select the table and table properties from the menu bar, and a table format window dialog box will be appeared, and click background tab. So I will show you that. For example, I just do the math color, all the math color converted into the other colors. So go to the table properties, here is the background, and you can select your color. For example, I am selecting this color and click OK. So you can see that all math color will be changed into the pink. Okay, one is remaining just because I am not selecting that. Okay, but I select this English, Hindi and EVS and change the background color. So go to the table properties again and select the any of the color from this. Press OK. So you can see the changes here. If you want to select the whole the table, then you can select it also. अगर आपको पूरा टेबल पे कलर करना है तब भी आप कर सकते हो, बट यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट इट. इफ़ यू आर नॉट सिलेक्टिंग एनीथिंग देन आउटपुट विल बी नॉट कम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. प्रेस ओके. So you can see the changes here. Okay, so first way is to add the shadow. Second way is graphics the background. To select the graphic from your computer, means any of the images. File system, using the browse button, choose any of the three types of placement of the graphics. Click OK button to set the selected graphics as a background. Check the preview checkbox to view the graphics in the area above the checkbox. So let's see how to apply it. Go to the table. Same thing you have to do. Click on the background, but here as a color, in place of that you have to select the graphics. Okay, then you have to go to the browse, then select your any of the image. I'm selecting this. Open. This will be preview come, so you can see the output here. Okay, so there are three options: position, area and the tile. Tile means that will be comes in the box form for the table. Area means that will be contain the whole the area of the table, and position means that the center that will be come. But I just only select the EVS, so you can see the background comes only in the EVS. I don't select the whole the table, so that's why the image will be come only in the EVS. Now I am selecting the whole the table here. Go to the table menu, table properties. In place of the background, you have to select the table. Sorry. Select it. Table properties, background, row. Again we will do that. Table properties and the background, yes, and the graphics, and you can select your own image. Open it and you can see the preview here. If this checkbox is not okay, then you have to just check it and see the preview for that. Okay, so these are the outputs that you have to be used. एरिया जब मैंने सिलेक्ट किया तो पूरी इमेज जो है वो कॉलम में, वो सेल में फिट हो गई. सो इस तरह से आप चेंजेस कर सकते हो. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द स्प्लिटिंग एंड द मर्जिंग सेल्स. स्प्लिट मीन्स उसको डिवाइड करना, मर्ज मतलब उसको कंबाइंड करना. So let's learn first to merge the cell into the single cell. Step 1, select the cells to merge. Go to the navigate to table, merge cells from the menu bar, the cells you have to selected are merged into the single cell. So first I show you how to merge your cells. Okay, before that I have to first insert a one cell here, sorry, row here, insert, and you can see that will be insert, sorry, I insert the row here. Okay, so I want to just merge these two rows. In this condition, what should you have to do? You have to select it, go to the table menu, and here you can see the option that merge cell, means दो सेल जो होंगे उसको कंबाइन करके वन में कन्वर्ट कर देगा. You can see the output also here. Again select table, merge, select the table and the merge. इस तरह से आप सबको मर्ज कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे select table and the merge. Okay, so all the things are merged here. Next is the split the cells. What is the meaning of the split cell? Means division of that. To split the cell into the two or the more cells. Step 1, place the cursor in the cell that you want to split. Select the table, splits from the menu bar. Select the how to split the cell. A cell can be split either horizontally or create more rows, or vertically to create the more the columns. Specify the total number of cells that will be formed after splitting. This is the image of the merge and the splitting cells. So first I am going to split the cell here. This is the cell. Go to the table menu and you can see that here split. When you click on that, that will be ask you want to split in the horizontal or the vertical. For example, I am select the vertically. And split किस में करना है? 2 में split करना है, 3 में split करना है, that is depend on you. If you are selecting 2, then it will be converted, divided into 2. You can see that is the Thursday, and that will be another one for the next. If you are select the 3, that will be split in the 3. Split cells into the 3, and I select the vertically just because I want to divide in the vertical form. Okay, so you can see that will be divided into the vertical form also. So this is the merging and the splitting. Merge means the combination and the split means the division. Merge means the combination and split means the division. आप नाम से ही पता कर सकते हो कि merge का मतलब क्या होता है और split का मतलब क्या होता है. Next, changing the row height and the column width. First, using the first way is the using the mouse pointer. Place the mouse pointer on the edge of the border. Mouse pointer means where your cursor will be moved. When the cursor change into double-headed arrow, press the drag and the mouse button on the border to the get required width or the height. You can change the both. This is called the double-headed arrow. I will show you the output also. Okay, so this is my cursor. You can see that it will be moved. When I go to this, that will be converted into the double-headed arrow. I just moved it, so you can say that the height will be changed. Okay, if you want to change the width also, then you can go to here and change the width also. Okay, I am changing the width here. You can also change it here. That will be take a time to comes. Okay, so Wednesday, Thursday both are comes in the perfect form. Second way, using the table menu, select the table autofill from the menu or first from the resizing options. The optimal column width or the optimal row height options make the column and the row as narrow as possible while still fitting their contents. What is the meaning of the optimal column and the optimal row height? That will be comes to the narrow of the row and the column. उसकी जितनी पॉसिबिलिटी होगी उसको नैरो करने के लिए वो उतनी अपनी ट्राई करेगा. All the columns and rows in the table can be given the same width and height using the distribute columns evenly and distribute rows equally. What is the meaning of that? Whenever you are using the distribute rows equally or distribute column evenly, that will be do the equal parts of the tables in the rows and the column forms. So let's see that. I select the table first, go to the table menu. Here auto fit comes option. You can see the column width. If you want to change only the column width, then you can. It's a width is one column width will be, for example, I take the 1, then you can see all will be come into the 1. Second thing, table auto fit optimal column width. Whenever you select that, it will be comes to compressed. वो अपने और आपसे कंप्रेस करना स्टार्ट करेगा और उसको फिट करने की ट्राई करेगा. I select the row, that's why it will be combine the row. Table auto fit distribute the columns evenly, so that will be distribute all the columns equally. So you can see the changes in both this. In the previous one, that will be come in the small size, but when I just press the distribution, that it will be comes in the equal forms. Table auto fit row height, you can change the row height. Optimal row height, you can see that the changes all in that. Distribute the row equally, so it will be distribute equal parts of the row. So these are the ways how you can change the row height and the column height equally, and you can also divide them equally. So these are the ways you have to be do the practical for that also. So here I want to end my video here, and next time we will meet soon. Bye everyone, have a good day.